In a world brimming with complex project management software, Basecamp offers a refreshingly straightforward approach. It's not about flashy bells and whistles you'll never use. It's about cutting through the noise and getting things done together. So what exactly is the Basecamp app used for? Let's dive in and explore how this deceptively simple tool has empowered millions of teams to collaborate more effectively, stay organized, and deliver projects successfully. At its core, Basecamp is an all-in-one project management and team communication platform. Think of it as a central hub where everything related to a project lives. Instead of your team's conversations happening in one app, files in another, and to-do lists on a whiteboard, Basecamp brings it all under one roof. This centralization is its superpower, reducing friction and ensuring everyone knows what's happening, what needs to be done, and where to find what they need. Let's break down the key functionalities that make Basecamp so effective. First up, we have project management. This isn't your traditional, overly complicated Gantt chart software. Basecamp simplifies project management into understandable, actionable components. Each project in Basecamp gets its own dedicated space, complete with essential tools. To-do lists. This is the backbone of task management in Basecamp. You can create detailed to-do lists, assign tasks to specific team members, set due dates, and add notes or attachments. The beauty here is clarity. Everyone knows who is responsible for what and when it's due. You can even break down larger tasks into smaller, more manageable subtasks. The visual feedback with icons for notes, conversations, and due dates gives you an instant overview of a task status. Hill charts. This is a unique and insightful feature that provides a visual representation of project progress. Imagine your project as a series of hills. Tasks start at the bottom of a hill, just beginning, climb to the top, in progress, and then descend the other side, nearly complete, just tying up loose ends. This gives a quick, intuitive sense of where things stand, allowing teams to identify potential roadblocks or tasks that might be stuck before they become major problems. It's a fantastic way to assess momentum and communicate progress without getting bogged down in detailed reports. Card tables, Kanban-style boards. While Basecamp traditionally focuses on linear to-do lists, they've introduced a card table feature, which is their take on Kanban boards. This provides a more visual way to track tasks through different stages of a workflow. You can create columns representing different stages, e.g., to-do, in progress, review, done, and move cards, tasks, across these columns as they progress. This is particularly helpful for teams that prefer a visual, flow-based approach to project tracking. Beyond individual tasks, Basecamp also helps you manage the project as a whole. You can schedule important milestones, deadlines, and events on a built-in calendar. This ensures everyone is aware of key dates and can plan their work accordingly. Next, let's talk about team communication. This is where Basecamp truly shines, aiming to replace chaotic email threads and fragmented chat apps. Message board. This is the central hub for important announcements, discussions, and updates that apply to the entire team or project. Instead of long, confusing email chains with endless replies, the message board provides a clear, organized space for discussions. Each topic has its own thread, making it easy to follow conversations, add comments, and keep all relevant information in one place. This drastically reduces the need to dig through your inbox for critical project details. Campfire. This is Basecamp's real-time group chat feature. Think of it as a casual virtual water cooler for your team. It's perfect for quick questions, brainstorming sessions, sharing links, or just general chit-chat. Unlike the more formal message board, Campfire is designed for instant, informal communication, helping teams feel connected and able to clarify things on the fly without cluttering the main message board. You can have multiple campfires for different topics or projects, keeping conversations focused. Pings. Direct messaging need to talk to one person or a small group privately. Pings allow for direct, private messages within Basecamp. This is ideal for one-on-one conversations or quick queries that don't need to be visible to the whole team. Automatic check-ins. This feature allows you to automate repetitive status updates. You can set up questions that Basecamp will ask your team members on a regular basis, e.g., what did you work on today? or any roadblocks you're facing. Their answers are collected in one place, giving you a quick overview of what everyone is up to without needing to hold countless status meetings. This is a huge time saver and keeps everyone informed with minimal effort. Then there's file sharing and document management. Docs and files. Basecamp provides a centralized place to store, organize, and share all your project-related documents, images, and other files. You can upload files directly, create folders for better organization, and even write long-form documents directly within Basecamp. This ensures that everyone has access to the latest versions of important files, eliminating confusion and the dreaded, "Which version is this?" question. It integrates with popular services like Google Drive and Dropbox for even more flexibility. One of Basecamp's standout advantages is its client-friendly approach. You can invite clients or external collaborators to specific projects, giving them access to relevant information without overwhelming them with internal team discussions. They can view updates, provide feedback on documents or tasks, and stay informed on project progress. This streamlines client communication and ensures everyone, internal and external, is on the same page. This makes Basecamp particularly popular with agencies, consultants, and anyone who regularly collaborates with external stakeholders. Basecamp also emphasizes simplicity and ease of use. The interface is clean, intuitive, and designed to flatten the learning curve. You don't need to be a project management expert to get started. This makes it ideal for small to medium-sized businesses and teams who need a powerful tool without the overwhelming complexity of some enterprise-level solutions. This focus is on core functionalities, intentionally doing less than some competitors, but doing those core things exceptionally well. When it comes to pricing, Basecamp offers a straightforward model. They have a flat-rate pricing plan that includes all features, unlimited users, and generous storage. This can be particularly cost-effective for larger teams, as the price doesn't scale per user, making budgeting predictable. They also offer a limited free plan for single projects, which is great for individuals or very small teams to get a feel for the platform. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.